Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I am cash stuffing or cash planning for the week. I have $367 that I plan on putting into all of my envelopes. I already figured out the amount for my wallet. That's getting the usual amount for this week. So spending will get 30, eating out 30, groceries 80, coffee 20, and buffer 10. So that's a total of 170 going into my wallet for the week. So that now leaves me with 197 to put into everything else on all of these envelopes. The first thing I'm gonna do is figure out one savings challenge, I think. Yeah, this roll the dice one right here. Here for the snacks. All right, so I'm gonna get the dice. I'm gonna roll. How many times should I roll? I've been getting a lot of big rolls which has been fun. I'll do three. I'll do 3 rolls. 6 and 2. So that is a little Mickey ice cream. That's $4. Okay, then I have a 6 and 5. Another, same one, so $4. One more roll. 5 and 5. 5 and 5, of course. Oh, I know, that's the largest one. Okay, a 5. That's not too bad. All right. All right, so I have 8, 13, right? 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah, 13. Total for this savings challenge. I like to get this one out of the way first before I move on. Oh, did I mess it up? 367 minus 170 minus 13. Okay, so 184 is left. I will come back. Yeah, I'll come back to these. I already finished this challenge, so I don't have this one to worry about. This one has nice small amounts. Yeah, so I'll come back to this after I'm done. Okay, so let's go into some priority envelopes right now for me. So I have auto. This will get $15. Extra savings, I'll put 15, and then month ahead I'll put 15, and then usually I match what I did in Treat Yourself, but I think in this one I'm just gonna do 10. Okay, so I wanted to get those out of the way first, and then probably everything else is probably gonna get like $5 each. So electronics will get 5. Emergency will get 5. I like to make sure every envelope gets something. Furniture will get 5. Rainy day. I kind of want to put 10 in here. I'll come back to that one and maybe do 10, but for now 5. Registration is fully funded, so, and then road trip we'll get 5. Scentsy 5. Subscriptions 5. Travel 5. Okay, next binder. Go Wild will get 5. Disneyland 5. Tires will get 5. Treat Yourself is done. Fun will get 5. Hobbies 5. Oops. Christmas 5 and holiday decor 5. So it's 10. Okay, left with 54. All right, beauty will get 5. I'm sure this is super exciting to watch me put fives in all of this. Clothing will get 5. Costco, 5. Family, 5. And I like to do one by one just so I don't mess up. 5 in gifts, 5 in home. Household will get 5. Oh my goodness, it's dwindling. And then the Target will get 5. Okay, I think I barely have enough to do this. Okay, I probably don't have enough actually to do this. Okay, I might have to make some edits. All right, so 100 envelope, I'm just gonna plan for 5. I usually end up adding more to this with leftover money from my wallet, but for now I will plan for 5. Ooh, yeah, I'm running low on money. Okay. Okay, I'm not gonna do anything in Costco this week because that gets a little bit of leftover money. Okay, so we're just gonna cross this one out. Adding another 5 to the board. And then I'm gonna do, well, if I have to do 5 in the $5 challenge. And then, okay, I have this bear challenge. This is gonna eat up my money. Okay, so I can do 6. Oh my goodness, cutting it close. I think, oop, I did the wrong one. Okay, 6. I think this works out though. 6, and then I have the cash stash. I'm gonna do 2 in cash stash, and then the 1 in the dollar challenge. Okay, that works. I'm happy with that. All right, so I'm just gonna double check my numbers. I'm hoping I didn't mess up anywhere because that was really tight on the amount. So we're gonna see if I total this correctly. I'll calculate it off camera. Thank goodness, number looks good. So I can figure out the denominations. So Otto's getting 15, then a 5, lots of 5s. 15, 5, 15. Okay, I got a bunch of 5s here. Then 10, then a bunch of 5s here. Okay, more 5s. Then I have a 2, 13, 10 and a 3. The bear one is 6, so it's 5 and a 1. The $5 challenge is a 5, and then 1. Okay, now I'm going to count the tallies. 50, I have 1, 20, 3, 10, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. 29. And then ones, I have 5, 10, 11, 12. Okay, looking good so far, I think. 50 times 1 is 50. 20 times 3 is 60. 10 times 10 is 100. 5 times 29 is 1. Oh, wait. 1. Oh, no. 29 times 5. Oh, gosh. Spacing out. 145. I wanted to say 130 for some reason. And then 12. Okay, now I'm going to add these up. Okay, perfect. All right, so I will be going to the bank today and I'm going to ask for 150, 20s, 3 of those. 10s, 10, so that's 100. 5s, 29 fives, 145, and then ones, 12. And that is a grand total of 367. So yeah, super happy with that. Lots of fives in my envelopes this week. But like I said, I like to at least get something in each one. Well, I didn't actually do that this week. But Costco's gonna get, I do have leftover money in Costco for groceries. So this money will go into Costco. So it is gonna get something. So that's why I don't feel too bad for not putting anything in that one, because it tends to get a little bit more each week thanks to leftover money. But that is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.